Spotted by Sky News on his golf course at lunchtime, a former president preparing to be arrested. It was inside his residence here last night at 7 p.m. when Donald Trump's phone rang. His lawyer told him that he was to be indicted to face 7 federal charges, among them espionage allegations. Within minutes of the call, ahead of the prosecutors who were out to get him, he was owning the moment, the narrative and the headlines.
Because it's election interference at the highest level. There's never been anything like what's happened. I'm an innocent man, I'm an innocent person.
His advisors who are with him here at the golf club say he is in good spirits and that he will fight this. He's said to be huddled with lawyers, presumably contemplating Tuesday's extraordinary arrest. It is all about these documents, and it is a huge development. Legally and politically, it's unprecedented. This is the scene of the alleged crime or crimes, Mar-a-Lago, his Florida resort. In August last year, the FBI raided this home of a former president. At the heart of the case are 15 boxes containing 184 documents marked as confidential, secret and top secret. Witness testimony and CCTV were collected. Then this man, Jack Smith, a judge respected on both sides, was appointed by the Attorney General as special counsel to take on the case. A grand jury of ordinary Americans examined it. The conclusion: there is a case for Mr. Trump to answer. Glenn Kirshner is a former federal prosecutor.
He will be fingerprinted, he will have his arrest photo taken, and then he will be transported to court, where he'll make his first court appearance. The indictment will be read. He will enter a plea, presumably of not guilty. They'll turn their attention to what conditions of release the judge might set for Donald Trump. Then they will pick a next court date.
Top Republicans are reacting. Already, this is hugely politically charged. Speaker of the House Kevin McCarthy wrote, "I and every American who believes in the rule of law stand with President Trump against this grave injustice. House Republicans will hold this brazen weaponization of power accountable." It is the voters who will drive the direction of all this. Remember, he is far and away the favorite to be the Republican candidate for the presidency, and a trial may not conclude before the election. In April, he was indicted in a New York district court over hush money payments to a porn star. They were not federal charges. Then a civil jury found him liable for the sexual abuse of this woman, journalist E. Jean Carroll. His polling went up. This will test America politically, legally, socially. The divide will deepen. The split between those who want Trump in court and those who believe this is an attempt by Joe Biden to remove his likely opponent rather than face him at the ballot box. Brace for jeopardy and turbulence ahead.